Do you want to change when the fingerprint icon appears while the screen is off on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Here's how to do it. First, open Setting, scroll down and tap Lock Screen and AOD, tap Screen Lock and Biometric, enter your current screen lock. Under the Biometric section, tap Fingerprint. Now, tap Show Icon when the screen is off. Here, you will find three options. On Always On Display, which is selected by default. It keeps the fingerprint icon visible whenever the Always On display is active, making the sensor location easy to find. Tap to show. It hides the icon until you tap the screen, giving you a cleaner screen while still letting you reveal the icon when needed. And never to hide the fingerprint icon completely for a more minimal appearance. For this example, let's select Tap to Show. Now, lock the phone. As you can see, the fingerprint icon is hidden while the screen is off. When you tap the screen, the fingerprint icon appears, making it easier to see where the fingerprint sensor is located. However, if you prefer to always see the icon or never see it at all, simply return to the setting and select another option. Also, keep in mind that this setting is only available when fingerprint always on is enabled, and it only affects the appearance of the fingerprint icon. As long as fingerprint always on is enabled, you can still unlock the phone with your fingerprint, regardless of which option you choose. And that's how you change the fingerprint icon appears while the screen is off on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.